Hi everybody, I'm Susan from LV & More and I have an unboxing today. I sold my Felicie and I did a partial trade with another lady that bought my Felicie. So it finally came today. Hers came on Monday and mine came today. So let's see what she sent me. Go.
There's your biscuit, let me try it.
Okay. Came in a bubble wrap, which was nice. I could probably reuse that. And she gave me a little note. Thank you for the trade, Susan. I hope you love this. Abby. So that was nice. And it comes in a Louis box. And let's see what it is. Dust bag. It's the new ones. This is from 2018 Epi. So let's see here. Okay, so this is nice. So that'd go in my No Way. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's gonna hold quite a bit of cards or earbuds, and it has like raw leather here, and all this is epi leather. The snap is nice. So these are pretty cool. All right. That's all I had today. I'll have some more things next week, so stay tuned for that. And I did get a request to do my Fendi Monster bag charm collection. So I'll be doing that probably next week as well, so look forward to that. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back and supporting me. I do appreciate it. So hit that like button, the notification bell, because I guess YouTube isn't notifying people when new videos come up. So make sure you do that. Like, subscribe, and leave any comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye now.